All right, I have everything satisfied. I have everything sanitized here. This mead has been sitting here for over a year. It's just a plain Jane. We're going to try to get a sample on it, see if we like it. If we don't like it, we're just going to trash it. So the wife's going to come over here with the cup and hold the cup down here. And then she's going to pump this pump so I don't touch the bottom of it. Or you hold that together. Make sure it's depressed. Is it depressed?
It's depressed. Okay. Do another one.
Give me a bottle. Taste it first, but put the bottle in between my legs there.
In between your legs?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Got
Got it.
Taste it.
Tasting it?
See if it's poison. Oh, it smells like alcohol for sure.
That's a flavor. Not bad. Gotcha.
Yeah, this has been sitting here a year. You get ready?
Mm-hmm.
I can see the neck.
I don't want to wear it.
I am wearing it. So yeah, it's been sitting here a year, and then cut away from this. And we made this one. We made the apricot mead. This was made with a wine yeast, and we didn't back sweeten this with any apricot stuff. So we're just going to go right to the bottom here and be done with this one. Okay. Grab that bottle here. Show the clarity here in a minute. See if I can separate my wand. I just got done losing this bottling wand. And I went out and I bought another one. And I bought the bigger one. Look at that, I just stirred that up. And the bigger one only works on a bigger line. So when I go to rack this wine, I can use the half inch. This is a 3/8 wand. So on with the taste test again. I know the wife don't want to be on camera here, but are you doing all the corking?
I figured I'd just get
Oh, wow, she...
cork when you're sitting there.
Did you wet the cork?
Yeah.
Okay, she did that. So here's a taste test on this, and she's 1 year. She's clear as a whistle. And plain Jane without any back sweetening or anything.
Good.
Not bad. Some people might not like it. It does have a hint of sweetness yet behind it, not a lot. It has like a smoky flavor. So that's plain orange blossom honey. It's actually a good tasting mead. For plain, you would almost think that was cooked over an open fire. It tastes smoky to me.
It does have a little smoky taste. Got a decent leg on it.
Yeah, she's got to be up in the 15% range. The other one I made with Mangrove Jack's mead yeast. Here's the rest of the trub. I stirred it up. Watch this. There's some nasty yeasties in there. So yeah, we'll clean that up and be done with it. But otherwise, not a bad mead, just a plain Jane. We'll put these away in this case over here with the other wines. And we'll just remember it's a plain, mead. I'll put it down here with the pine. The wife put the corks in there behind my back. I wasn't even watching. Next thing I know, I hear ka-plunk, ka-plunk, ka-plunk. And the corks are in. So that takes care of that. I know it was back in January that was made. So until next time on the Mead, the 1 gallon experiment was made with Red Star
Oh, that's the difference.
yeast. And it does give a different taste than the Mangrove Jacks. So we got 3 bottles out of that Mead that was made a year ago. It was like a year and a week old now. Like I say, it was made with Red Star yeast and stuff. It was a little bit different than what we're used to with the Mangrove Jacks. So actually the Plain Jane, that's the first Plain Jane Mead I made. It was the 1 gallon experiment along with the 5 gallons. It was the overflow. You can look up that video if you want. So until next time on the Mead department, Proust. We'll be doing wine, I guess, finishing that off. Stay thirsty.